Living with chronic kidney disease doesn't mean you have to stop eating the foods you love. In fact, many kidney-friendly foods are a part of a healthy lifestyle the whole family can enjoy. Following through on dietary changes becomes easier when you set yourself up for success from the start. You can accomplish this by creating a kidney-friendly food list before you even go shopping. Bringing a grocery list with you to the store will keep you on track while shopping and empower you to lead a kidney-friendly lifestyle. Plus, you'll be able to accomplish a few things. 1. Plan your favorite meals. You don't have to sacrifice your favorite dishes simply because you're living with kidney disease. However, it is important to pay attention to the ingredients these meals include. For instance, your old go-to recipe includes salt. Replace that with flavorful spices like cumin and lemon zest. 2. Avoid impulse purchases. Shopping with a grocery list keeps you more focused than you would be if you didn't have one. A list of fresh fruits, vegetables, and proteins will also keep you out of the aisles with processed food. 3. Save money. Not having a plan when you are shopping can be costly, but a grocery list helps keep the spending down. When you know what you need before you shop, you avoid buying too many ingredients or unhealthy items. The best foods for you will depend on the stage of kidney disease you are in, blood work results, and other health conditions. Limiting sodium is key for every stage of kidney disease, and by eating more natural, less processed foods and homemade meals, you can help lower your sodium intake. Remember, your dietitian is a key member of your team, and they can help walk you through how to shop for the right kidney-friendly ingredients that work for your personal lifestyle. Visit freseniuskidneycare.com/recipes to find some delicious, kidney-friendly meals to plan on your next grocery shopping trip.